John in King's Cross declares himself to be a BNP supporter. Let's hear why. Go ahead, John.
Hello, George.
Hi.
All right, mate. Yeah, congratulations to the BNP, the 2 Euro MPs. I'm very pleased, mate, that at last the British have got a voice.
Well, let's just examine that, John, because the Observer newspaper is revealing in a very large article tomorrow, I don't know if you're an Observer reader, but many people are, that one of the BNP members of the European Parliament that you're so proud of has convictions for chanting death to the Jews. Criminal conviction. You proud of that?
Well, not really. I'm not proud of that, actually, because I'm part Jewish myself, actually.
You're part Jewish. You're part Jewish yourself, but you're proud of the BNP, a crowd of Holocaust deniers, one of whose members of the European Parliament has a criminal conviction for chanting death to the Jews. Are you some kind of lunatic, John?
I will openly say to all your listeners that there was an Holocaust. I'm not a denier of the Holocaust. I haven't seen no BNP Nazi people since I've been in the BNP. And, for your information, the only violent people are the left-wing people what attack the BNP. You never see the BNP commit acts of violence.
But that's just absurd. They've got a list of convictions. The top leaders of the BNP have got a list of convictions for violence as long as your arm.
And the left wing have got a list of convictions twice as long as my arm.
Yeah, there's a difference though. Left-wing people assault members of the BNP. The BNP leaders assault immigrants, including Jews.
No.
Well, what do you mean no? They've got convictions for it.
No, I'm telling you they don't.
I want to examine this with you, John.
Sure,
You're
mate.
telling me that you're part Jewish.
Yes.
And you're on here to say how proud you are of these two BNPers. I've just told you that one of them has been criminally convicted for chanting death to the Jews, and you're still supporting them.
Well, all the media has done is condemn the BNP. That there was a lie told about the Gurkhas. The BNP supported the Gurkhas all the way through. So that was lie number one.
But no, let's stick to this fact. It wasn't the media. It was a court that convicted Andrew Brons, a foundation member of the National Socialist Movement in Britain. Pictures of him wearing an armband, giving a Hitler salute on Hitler's birthday. He's now a British member of the European Parliament. You're partly Jewish. Are you proud of that?
No, I'm not proud of that. If that's true, but there's so many lies going around, George. And can I just discuss this with you? That cab driver who rang in earlier and said about the racist scum, he didn't talk about the scum what murdered 56 people on the London Underground, did he?
They were just scum. It's nothing to do with their race, whether they were white, whether they were black or brown. Anybody that murders innocent people is scum, John. Who would doubt that?
Oh, well, I agree with you, but the BNP don't murder people.
Well, but Andrew Brons, MEP, was chanting death to the Jews. He was exhorting people to kill Jews.
Right, so, okay, right, you may be right, you may be wrong.
Well, no, it's not a question of I may be right or I may be wrong. He was criminally convicted in a British court of that offence. John, it's not me that's saying it. It's not the Observer that's saying it. It's a court that said it.
Right, are you saying then that 1 million people what voted BNP a racist?
I'm saying that there are fools who have allowed themselves to be misled by a group of evil men, almost all of them men, who are evil Hitlerites, who've donned suits, who've taken off their armbands, and have fooled people, including you, part Jewish. Go to Searchlight, read Searchlight, John, about the anti-Semitic Jewish anti-Jewish racist hatred which these leaders of the BNP have always been associated with. And for God's sake, resign your membership of the BNP and resile from this evil.